Okay, here I'm going to show you some basics on theming of WordPress. Out of the box, WordPress comes with a couple different themes. You can find these themes under your dashboard and under Appearance and then Themes. You can see right now the theme that is currently installed on this site is the 2012 theme. I could activate the 2011 theme. And if I do that, go back and visit the site, you can see how it changes the appearance. In a nutshell, the way I like to look at things is WordPress, if you associate it with something, let's associate it with a vehicle. WordPress is the engine of the vehicle. Then what I look at is theme is the theme that you use would be the actual vehicle type. Let's call it a Chevy, a Ford, a Cadillac, however you want to look at it. On top of that, they have what they call child themes. And then child themes would be the type of Chevy or the type of Ford. It could be the Ford Fusion, it could be the the Chevy Corvette or the Cadillac CTS. I personally like to use the company iThemes for my themes. The reason I do is because they offer a lot of flexibility. I have worked with Builder since it was initially launched. I think it was back in December of 2009. Builder's come a long way. But what Builder gives you the ability to do is it gives you the ability to customize your site basically limitless. You can have a layout that looks for your home page that looks completely different for your contact page or your About You page or even a storefront page. So when you look at your themes that you're getting ready to use or getting ready to try out for your WordPress site, look at the limitations that they have as far as the layouts. How much flexibility do you want? Builder offers basically unlimited flexibility, and you don't need to know a ton of code in order to get the results that you want. One of the other things I want to talk about when it comes to themes is trying to make sure that your theme is what they call responsive. The reason being is you do not know today what type of device the people that are visiting your sites are going to be on. It could be an iPhone, it could be an Android, it could be a tablet, it could be their computer. And what I mean by responsive is when the site itself will change based on the display. So for example, if I click on the right here and I collapse, you see how the site gets smaller, and then as I even get smaller, everything kind of collapses down to, let's say, the size of an iPhone. It makes it a lot easier for your users to be able to navigate and read your site on their portable devices, which is happening more and more every day. Okay, so what you first want to do is whatever theme company you choose to use, or if you're going to use the standard theme that comes with WordPress, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get these themes downloaded to your computer. You can see I have downloaded the Builder Core, and then I've downloaded 3 different child themes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in the WordPress site how to get these into the site and change between the views and let you see exactly how it changes the actual look and feel of the site. Okay, I'm back to my control panel inside of my WordPress site. I'm on the Themes tab here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to install first the new Builder Core theme. I'm going to upload it, grab it from my computer, go to my documents, and here to my themes, and install now. So while this is installing, what I'll do is I'm going to take you back to the site and let you see what the site looks like after just the core has been installed, and then we're going to add the child themes to it and let you see the difference on what the child themes do as far as changing the skin and the appearance of the site. Okay, you can see that the theme has successfully installed. Currently, I still have the 2011 on the site itself, the standard one that comes with WordPress. What I'm going to do is I'm going to activate this now. So now I have the Builder Core as the active theme. When I refresh this, you can see how it kind of changed everything. And what Builder does is it gives you widget sections that you can actually drop different items into. It could be a rotating images plugin, it could be a form fill, it could be actual HTML if you want to put in these widget sections. But now what I'm going to, one thing with Builder is you really don't want to build off the Builder Core. The reason is once they update the Builder Core, any of the changes, edits that you would have done will go away if you go to update your site and you only have the Builder Core installed. So let's look at installing a child theme here, and then we'll come back and look at how it reskins the site. So I'm going to install theme again. I'm going to upload. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the Adept child theme. And again, you can live preview these. You can come up and look at how it looks right here. And I'm just going to activate this one. And then I'm going to let you see when you come back to the site and refresh it, how it changes how the site appears. Again, you still got your widget sections, and keep in mind when you're doing this with Builder, I can have 3 sections here, I could have 4, I could have 8, I could have 2, I could have 1. It doesn't matter. The theme is so flexible that you can add widget sections or form fill sections or images or anything on any part of your screen, any part of the screen. Let's go ahead and install a different child theme. I did Adept, let's do Cube now. Install. And I'm going to activate this one. And here we go from Adept to Cubed. And you can see how the whole appearance of the site has changed. But I've kept the standard widget sections that come as a standard layout from Builder. And we'll do one more here and we'll cut this tutorial off. Upload, browse to Expansion Blue. Install and activate. And again, you can see how the whole look of the site changes based on this child theme concept. Again, just to kind of recap here, the way I try to explain this is when you look at a WordPress site or you look at a website, you get if you compare it to a car, you compare the WordPress as the engine of the car. Then you've got the theme, which would be the type of the car, Chevy, Ford, Cadillac. Then you've got the child theme itself, and the child theme will be the type of car. It could be a Ford Fusion, again, a Chevy Corvette, or a Cadillac CTS. I hope this kind of gives you a good idea of what themes do, what themes look like, and the child theme process of theming your WordPress site. Thanks and have a good day.